Ever wonder why your Newton trade is already down a few dollars the second you hit buy, even if the market hasn't moved? That gap between the price you see and the price you actually pay is the spread, and if you aren't careful, it can eat up 1% to 2% of your portfolio before you even get started. I've spent a lot of time navigating Newton's interface, and while I love the platform for its ease of use and no-fee funding, I've had to learn the hard way how to keep those spreads from cutting into my profits. Timing the liquidity. The biggest mistake I made early on was trading whenever I felt like it, regardless of the time of day. Newton relies on external liquidity providers. If you trade during dead hours, like late Sunday nights or during major holiday lulls, the spread naturally widens because there is less trading volume. I've found that the tightest spreads usually happen during the overlap of the North American and European market hours. If the global markets are busy, the spread is usually much more competitive. Watch the volatility spikes. When a coin is mooning or crashing, it's tempting to jump in immediately. However, during periods of extreme price action, Newton's spread expands significantly to protect the platform from rapid fluctuations. I now make it a rule to wait for the cooling off period. By waiting just 10 or 15 minutes for the price to stabilize, I've seen the spread drop from 2% back down to its standard 0.6% to 0.9% range. The limit order advantage. For the longest time, I just used the market buy and sell buttons. That is the most expensive way to trade on Newton. I switched to using the limit order feature for almost every trade. By setting a specific price I'm willing to pay, I'm no longer at the mercy of the instant spread. It requires a bit more patience, but it ensures I'm entering a position on my own terms rather than letting the spread dictate my entry price. Size matters. I've noticed that if I try to move a very large amount of capital in a single trade, the spread gets wider to accommodate the slippage of a big order. Instead of doing one massive buy, I've found success in breaking my orders into smaller chunks. This allows the platform to fill the orders at more consistent price points without triggering the higher spread tier that comes with high-volume market orders. Check the spread manually. Before I confirm any trade, I do a quick manual calculation. I look at the mid-market price on a site like CoinMarketCap and compare it to Newton's quoted price. If the difference is higher than 1%, I simply don't trade. I walk away and check back in an hour. Being willing to not trade is arguably the best spread-saving tip I can give you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.